Nearly 50 education stakeholders recently gathered at the Orchid Center in Union for a two-day workshop aimed at strengthening the management of education infrastructure across St. Lucia. The capacity building workshop on the public asset management framework for education infrastructure brought together principals, vice principals, education officers, and school safety personnel from all 8 education districts. Civil engineer with the National Integrated Planning and Program Unit, NIP, Fabian Felix, said the workshop was designed to help administrators better understand their role as managers of public assets while promoting a culture of safety and preventative maintenance. Felix explained that schools are more than just educational institutions. They are collections of valuable public assets that require proper monitoring and maintenance.
So while a school is often referred to by a name, that school may have about 5 or 6 buildings that are individual assets of that building. So according to our asset management policy, an asset that should be properly managed has to have a useful life of over a year.
He noted that principals are often the first line of defense in identifying potential problems before they become costly repairs. The workshop also addressed a concern frequently raised by school administrators: the funding of maintenance and improvement projects.
Having school principals on compound, there's absolutely nothing wrong with giving them the basic knowledge to look out for defects that they can call on the relevant professionals to address, such as stress, cracks, failure in foundations, leaks, electrical failures. We have a lot of issues with the building envelope, doors, windows, and of course the prevailing issue of mold in our facilities.
School Safety Officer Major Sean Wells says principals play a critical role in ensuring that school safety remains a priority.
For us, it is important that they understand and that they participate in this. They will be taking this knowledge, the knowledge gained here, take it back to the schools, back within the district school safety, because actually we only have a fraction of the district schools safety teams represented here today. That knowledge that they have gained, they will take it back with them within the district schools safety teams and educate their peers as well, their colleagues.
The training forms part of government's broader efforts to modernize infrastructure management through the implementation of the Public Asset Management Policy and the Public Finance Management Act Asset Management Regulations. Key areas of focus include evidence-based decision-making, digital asset management, infrastructure condition assessment, life cycle planning, and disaster resilience. For many participants, the training provided practical knowledge that can immediately be applied within their schools. Principal of the PI Combined School, Eugenie Paul Mooney, says the workshop has changed the way she views her responsibilities as a school leader.
There was a lot to learn. I learned so much that at this present time, construction is going on at my school. And had I known these before the construction, there were a few things that I would need changed. I would have asked for it to change. I would demand change. I would not stop unless change came, because we are always looking for the safety of our patrons.
The training was organized by the Ministry of Education in collaboration with the National Integrated Planning and Program Unit within the Department of Finance, with support from UNICEF. For the National Competitiveness and Productivity Council, Glenn Simon reporting.